After hours and hours of grinding, it has finally come the moment where I will craft this lovely, beautiful, shining piece of paint where I've spent my whole life on this one item. Just kidding, it's not been my whole life. But anyways, enjoy this little time lapse of me going to craft all my resources and apparently just realizing that I don't have enough honey, so I'll be grinding honey as well. So enjoy the time lapse.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. La 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 la.
Nice.
Okay, so basically I think I'm the most unlucky Beast Form player ever. I just wanted that cute little bee that does absolutely nothing except buff your pollen by 1.2 times, but I guess B Game decided that that was not my time.
When the lights go down, I've seen hell in you, but you don't care, no, you don't care, no. You just rather watch me fall from a quarter mile. I can see you at the call. Think about it, ring won't tell you what I saw. When you break it off, you'll see who had it all. You had it all. You said you wanted to fall into oblivion. Forget about the world we're living in. Fall into oblivion, oblivion. Oh, go in.
Yeah, so basically, progress in this video has been made. Slowly but surely building up my hive. The next thing I will be getting is petal wand. Almost said petal planter. That is for a later video. If you guys did enjoy this video, please consider subscribing as it took me many hours to make this. I would greatly appreciate it. But if not, thanks for just watching. I appreciate every single one of you. Yeah, basically just me rambling on, not being able to finish sentences like usual. Anyways, guys,